Moshi Moshi? Dr. Alphys? Sans? Oh my gosh! Poor Papyrus! But he's awake now, right?
Yeah, but I think he may have a concussion.
How long did it take him to regain consciousness?
About 30 minutes.
Any cracks, dents in the skull?
No dents, but he does have a small crack above his nose.
I see. And how is his awareness and speech?
He was better earlier when he first woke up, but now he's pretty zoned out and barely speaking.
Right. It does sound like a mild concussion. If that's the case, there isn't anything we can do but get him into bed and let him sleep.
Gotcha.
It's important, though, to check on him and wake him for a bit, about every 3 hours. It's not as common in a mild case, but if left unchecked, there is a chance he could slip into a coma. Hurts.
Alphys, is there anything I can give him for the pain?
Sadly, no. It's dangerous to give him painkillers right now. If he shows improvements later, then it'll be alright.
It'll be alright, bro.
Sans?
Thank you, Alphys.
You're welcome. Do you still want me to come over?
No, like you said, not much you can do. Sorry I woke you.
Nah, it's fine. But don't hesitate to call me if you need anything. Definitely if his condition seems to be getting worse.
Of course. Sleep well, Alphys.
Jeanette!
Bye? Alright, bro. Let's get you to bed like the doc said. You know, I remember when I used to be able to just carry you in my arms. A lot smaller and easier to carry.
Sans.
Sorry, Paps. It's okay. Right. You. Think you had enough playtime.
Thank you for watching me voice act in this short story. Share and like and subscribe. Stay determined until next time. Here's the question of the day now. If you want to leave an answer, write a comment down below now. Well, take care, I'll see you later.